I personally feel that the kids today, they have a basic knack of, how things are to be done. But after this course, I feel that Miraya is able to use that jargon and she's able to connect many things together. Because as per her feedback, she feels that, what she told me that certain things were very basic and based on common sense. But I did not know what was the theory behind it. Why were we doing it? Or what was the term used for it?
Sorry, I've always had an interest in everything, but I feel like what we're doing in the club, it's very hands-on. They're giving us experience, like we're building brands from scratch. And that was actually very interesting, a very fun experience. So it's enjoyable and also informative. So that's why I loved it. First thing, I learned that entrepreneurship is a mindset. It's not a skill, it's not something you can learn, it is a mindset. And I realized, looking at my club mates and myself, that if you have had that mindset from the beginning, then this whole thing, it comes naturally to you. Yeah, also, as for I learned the different tools, the different steps, all of this. Like my mom said, I used to always think, oh, marketing, it's common sense. But when during the workshop, I realized that there's much more to it.
Certainly. I'll give you one example. So,
Yeah.
around 6 months back, she saw a pizza ad and she was like, मेरा पिज्जा खाने का मन कर रहा है ad देख के. And her sister was, do you realize you are the target audience? You are the first target audience. They look for people like you when they design the ad. So now she looks at these ads in a very different way. She'll never say pizza के ad देख के pizza खाने का मन कर रहा है. She'll think about the background of it. I see a change in her general demo too, like when she's interacting with people. So
Mm-hmm.
in the past 2 months, categorically, she has made many senior citizen friends.
Okay, that's great.
So because she's interacting very formally with them, and
Mm-hmm.
suddenly we have lots of her dadus around who are Miraya fans. Suddenly, it's
Okay.
last 2 months. Certainly more confident now. Because whenever, like last week only, her school in charge, she called her for some meeting,
Mm-hmm.
and she categorically told me, my friend was impressed. तुम इंचार्ज से ऐसे कैसे बात कर लेती हो कॉन्फिडेंटली, हमसे तो बात ही नहीं होती.
And I think the reason is because we get to interact with such qualified people. Like, I remember talking to Miss Madeline about Bharatnatyam, about what Miami is like. So all of that, we got to experience that. We realized that these qualified people, these people we look up to, they are just as much human as we are, and they're also willing to interact with us, laugh at our jokes, all of that.
uh, I have to think very hard to, decide upon a class for Miraya, because in most of the classes she gets bored very easily.
Mm-hmm.
Because most of the classes she feels ये instructors general बातें करते हैं, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा, because she likes the challenge. She likes to go out of her comfort zone to learn something,
Of
and
course.
she's getting it here. So, like some of my friends ask me, some of her friends' parents. So I always tell them, like, if your child is, is inquisitive, please go for it. But if your child wants something on a platter, it's not for you. No, it is there to make your child think, make your child work hard, and find their own path.
Of course.
So, I liked it. I actually liked it because knowing Miraya, she doesn't like things very easily.
Of course.
So she's loving it. So I'm very sure there's nothing you need to change.
And also, I love that you give us the freedom. We're allowed to do whatever we want. You teach us to be leaders. Like the prefect system is also going to get introduced. But at the
Mhm.
same time, you're checking in with us. You're making sure that, we're okay. And I think that kind of community, that kind of a freedom that you're giving us while also providing the hand holding, that's the best thing I could ask for.